One day, when we get honest politicians, the Constitution of Kenya will work, and the people of this country will derive benefits as they should. There are some people who are hiding against this. They say there is a decision by judges that the elections could be held next year. But if you go by the Constitution, I believe that we should hold the election this year.
Through my many years, I have dedicated myself to the service of my country, my church, and my fellow men. In the civil service, my constituency of Kikuyu, now Kabete, private sector, through all the boards I have been involved with, and the All Saints Cathedral. I have also dedicated many hours to numerous churches, social enterprises, and educational institutions. I have been very proud and honored to have interacted and worked alongside many talented and gifted people, all of whom have enriched my professional and public life. On these occasions, I am humbled by what I consider to be my greatest blessings, my loving family, which has grown over the years. First of all, my wonderful wife and life companion, Margaret, followed by my children, Wairimu, Elizabeth, Mary, Wambui, and Josiah David. I have also had the greatest joy and privilege of grandchildren. To date, 6 of them, all of whom have the most uplifting effect on my energy and love for life. For this, I am truly grateful to God. I thank you all